What's going on, YouTube? Modeling Nut finally back at you. Just wanted to kind of provide an update for the long pause in videos here. So back in the middle of June, we had a pretty bad storm roll through. Took a tree down that was about a 40-inch plus tree that came down on top of our garage and on my dad's truck and the front of our boat and all of that stuff. So everything's fine. Everybody was fine. Nobody got hurt, as far as I'm aware, from the storm. So that's always a good thing. But obviously, the last couple of months has just been nuts of getting the insurance taken care of, getting the repair process kicked off, and stuff like that. So, not actually had the chance to even touch the bench for the last couple of months, for obvious reasons with that. Also, work's actually been pretty busy here. We never shut down for COVID because we were essential being in IT. So, you know, computer systems are what's running the world right now. So, but in either case, good news is finally starting to get the bench kind of cleaned up. Going through just kind of doing a purge of not really any kits, anything like that. It's mostly just trash that I've kept around for far too long. And so getting that cleaned up and really getting this process going. You can kind of see some of the stash behind me. And so definitely need to start getting these out of boxes and assembled on finished shelves. So uh, looking forward to bringing you guys along for the ride. Got a new build series going to be coming up here, the CJ7. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. I just need something that's kind of a bit of a mojo build just to kind of get back into it. I know it seems like a lot of the new subscribers that I've been getting lately, which is always awesome. Love seeing those. Um, a lot of them have kind of come around for the auto kits, which is nothing wrong with that. I have a huge stash of those ready to be built. So, um, yeah, we're looking forward. I'm looking forward to, like I said, just getting back on this bench, getting stuff put together. So, thanks for all of the subscribers who have stuck around. Again, welcome to all the new ones. Looking to try to get a video out a week is what I'm hoping for. Um, with just like I said, with everything going on work wise, looking to transition work again at some point. It's going to be kind of a harder process to try to do, but I will strive for it for you guys. So, um, yeah, loved all the comments that I've gotten lately as well. So, if you happen to see something on any of the old videos, or if you happen to see or have questions for anything sitting behind me, or any of the kits that I own, or if I happen to have a kit, definitely hit it up in the comments below. If I do happen to have the kit, I'll pull it out and maybe do a review. If it's something that you're looking to buy and you haven't found a review on it at all, just let me know that, and I'll try to put an urgent stamp on that one. So, like I said, glad to be back at the bench. Glad to finally be back in here and in a capacity to where I can actually maybe start getting some projects done. So I will catch you guys here shortly with the introduction for the CJ7 build. Later.